Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Today's video, we'll be looking at Associative Law of Addition and Multiplication. Now this property states that when three or more numbers are added or multiplied, the result, which will be the sum or the product, remains the same, even if the numbers are grouped in a different way. Here, grouping is done with the help of brackets, or we can call them parentheses. Now it can be expressed as this: A be multiplied by open bracket B times C close bracket can or will be equal to open bracket A times B close bracket multiplied by C. Now as you see here, we regrouped what is in the bracket on each side. So at the front of the equal sign, B and C were within the brackets, and on the other side of the equal sign, A and B were in the brackets. And being that they are separated by an equal sign, it goes to show us that however we group them, our answers must be the same. They must be equal. The same goes for addition. So if we were to add A plus open bracket, B plus C close bracket, and we regroup what we have, we can say open bracket A plus B close bracket plus C. However we group them, once we're adding and multiplying, our sum or our product should be the same. Now let's have a look at an example. Let's say we have 2 plus open bracket 4 plus 5 close bracket. If I'm to add 4 plus 5, I would get 9, and 2 plus 9 gives me 11. Now, I'm going to regroup what I had at the first example. So I'm going to have 2 plus 4 in my bracket, and then I'm going to add 5 to it. Now when I add 2 plus 4, it gives me 6, and then 6 plus 5 gives me 11. So both ways I had different digits in the brackets, and I ended up with the same sum. Now, I want for you to pause the video and attempt these two examples, and then we'll discuss afterwards. Alright, so I hope you got this correct. We are filling in the missing blanks. So in front of the equal sign, I have open bracket 30 plus 24 close bracket plus 15, and on the other side of the equal sign, I have a blank line plus open bracket 24 plus 15 close bracket. Now, the only number that's missing which was in the first bracket was 30. So therefore, on the line here, I should have 30. And if you look, I just regroup them. So if I was to add them, I should get the same sum. Here, you should also have 13. So 13 was the only number missing from what was at the first expression. So once we add them, we should get back the same sum. Now, let's look at multiplication. Here is an example. Now, I have open bracket 3 times 4 close bracket multiplied by 5. Now, when I multiply 3 times 4, that should give me 12. And 12 times 5 gives me 60. Then I'm going to do a little regrouping. So now I have 3 times open bracket 4 times 5 close bracket, and if I multiply 4 times 5, I will get 20, and 3 times 20 gives me 60. So this shows that however we regroup them and we multiply, we will get the same product. Now I want for you again to try these two examples. Alright, so I hope you got this correct. I am regrouping, so in front of the equal sign, I had 8 times open bracket 2 times 7 close bracket, and behind the equal sign, I have open bracket 8 times 2 close bracket multiplied by a blank line. So the only number that was not included was the 7. Now if I'm to multiply all of this and all of this, both sides should give me the same product. And for the last one, what do you have? Alright, excellent. So the 5 should be multiplied by the 11, and once I multiply both sides, it should give me the same product. Now, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.